Good evening. Good evening. This is my topic. My topic is securing the mobile IoT. Definition. The advancement of mobile technology and the Internet of Things is progressive and constant, making this technology allow more experience for users. These technologies are different, but when they are complemented, they can achieve great results. Users can live new cognitive experience using both technology at the same time. It is expected that in the coming years, the growth will be even higher. The evolution of mobile telephony has been constant, led by leaders, seeking to offer users new experience with fierce competition between companies in the area that lead designers to constantly propose innovation. The change in the way they are made and the future they offer have also changed the way mobile phones are used. At present, this copy widely used means to access information, to cook, study, go to the gym, organize the day's tasks, find out what is happening in the world, contact friends, organize trips. We use the mobile for practical all the activities of the day. In parallel to this evolution of mobile telephony, the Internet of Things or Internet of Things has also advanced, in part thanks to the capabilities that mobile phones offer. It is becoming easy to connect with other devices and have interactive experience. We are surrounded with small networks that connect objects to each other and at the same time connect them to use, allowing use to control everything in a simple way by simply tapping the touch screen of the mobile phone. What seeming impossible to control a few years ago is now completely possible thanks to the advance of technology associated with Internet of Things. Let's go watch the video one. Housing basic mobile IoT solutions are enabling better security, G plus D mobile security GmbH. Let's go.
Shared Medaya, business development in music endeavoring with protecting data end-to-end within a mobile IoT network, whether that's Narrowband IoT or CAN. So we have a simple SIM-based solution that encrypts data at an endpoint. For example, this is a smart meter, and the smart meter generates data at the end of the month. This data is then encrypted using our SIM technology, sent over the air to your backend, whether that's a server or cloud-based solution, where you as a service provider can decrypt the data, so you have end-to-end ownership and security of your data. Here we have a scalable technology that is literally plug and play. So using the SIM card that is already necessary to be connected to a Narrowband IoT network, you can enable end-to-end security services. So if you're an enterprise creating an IoT system or an IoT device, you don't necessarily have to worry about security, because when you take a SIM card and plug in your SIM card to get connectivity onto the network, using the same SIM technology, we can enable these additional end-to-end security services. From a mobile network operator perspective, we see a huge advantage for this specific service, because using the service, you can identify that data is coming from a known endpoint. We also enable the MNOs to monetize additional services within their Narrowband IoT network, where connectivity costs could be fairly low. And we also see various other services that could be beneficial in terms of an easy-to-use and pluggable solution that the industry could use. From an enterprise perspective, we also see various benefits, because if I'm a smart meter provider and I want to really access all of my data and ensure I want to know where my data is coming from, this could be fairly unique. And I could also look into security services that could do firmware over the air, for example, wherein the SIM can act as a trust anchor.
Okay, let's go to watch the video too. This video is in audio. Only show a different manner of utilization of the technology IoT. Uh, Also showing the importance of the protection of hackers. Okay. Okay. Let's go to explain IoT application. IoT application provides the right image value into our life with network, wireless network, superior sensor, and revolutionary computing capabilities. The Internet of Things could be the next frontier in the race for each share of the wallet. IoT applications are expected to equip billions of everyday objects with connectivity and intelligence. It is already being deployed extensively. The outline of the article is as follows. What is IoT? IoT application, wearables, smart home application, healthcare, smart city, agricultural, industrial automation. What is the scope of IoT? Let's go to watch the video 3. IoT application. This video shows you all application of decentralized technology.
The global population continues to grow and age as people live longer. This calls for innovative ideas to manage the planet's resources and to deliver services to everyone. As the population shifts towards cities, the challenges to manage traffic, pollution, and energy increase. At the same time, people have greater access to information, products, and services that are increasingly global, and they expect these to be tailored to their individual needs. At ST, we believe that technology can help meet these needs and contribute to our vision of an augmented life for everyone. Let's see how. ST continues to develop solutions to make the world smarter and more connected. Our sensors provide information about the world around us. Our microcontrollers process, protect, analyze, and act on this information. Our connectivity products provide the link to the network, and our energy management solutions ensure smart systems operate reliably and efficiently. In cities, these systems can be embedded everywhere, in buildings, attached to street lamps, or even buried under roads. Together, these devices enable the smart grid, allowing more efficient use of energy. In factories, they combine with ST's smart power components to create extremely reliable and efficient automation solutions. ST is also making cars smarter. We are improving safety on the road by helping cars detect obstacles and assist braking, or adapt their speed to the flow of traffic. ST technologies also help protect the environment by reducing fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. And ST infotainment, navigation, and in-car controls increase the enjoyment and comfort of the overall driving and traveling experience. In the home, our technologies allow management of lights, heating, or any home appliance that embeds a smart system, and when connected to the cloud, enable us to remotely monitor and control our home. ST Solutions deliver music, movies, and information to all the connected devices in the format they need. When they need it. We offer the latest innovations in home entertainment for an immersive viewing experience and stunning realism for live action sports and gaming. Smart systems collect information to tailor applications and services to specific individual needs while offering a more natural interface for a richer user experience. And ST's long experience in data security and secure communications ensures that your personal information will be safe. Real-time monitoring of activity and personal data can give advice on diet and exercise, provide early warning signals for critical illness, or improve drug delivery. This same technology can also keep us healthy by helping to deliver medical services to everyone at an affordable cost. The proliferation of smart systems will connect many new devices to the Internet of Things. This will increase the amount of data to be transported, stored, and processed, creating the need for a more powerful infrastructure. And ST has solutions to meet the needs of this growing cloud. With innovative, low-power, high-performance technologies. Together with our customers, partners, and employees, ST is using its technology, know-how, manufacturing capabilities, and talent to meet the challenges and opportunities of the evolving world. Because everywhere microelectronics makes a positive contribution to people's lives, ST is and will be there.
Okay. Pros and cons. Pros. Automation. Automation leads to uniformity in tasks, while I/O service and control of day-to-day tasks without human intervention. Machine-to-machine communication also helps maintain transparency throughout the process efficiency. Machine-to-machine integration provides for better efficiency, enabling people to focus on other jobs. Cost savings. In addition to the optimal utilization of energy and resources, the IoT helps alleviate the problem associated with bo- bottlenecks, breakdowns, and system damage. Communication. IoT allows cyclical devices to stay connected and better communicate which create greater quality control, instant data access, more available information helps simplify the decision-making process, making life easier to manage. Cons, uh, com compatibility. Currently, there is no international standard of compatibility for the IoT, which can make it hard for devices from different manufacturers to communicate with each other. Complexity because the IoT is such a vast, diverse network, a single failure in either the software or hardware can have disastrous consequences. Less jobs as IoT brings in more consistent automation. We could see a decline in the need for unskilled employees in the workplace. Technologically dependent life as our lives become more and more dependent on technology-based human interaction. Skill will be reduced across society. Issue apply in Ecuador. Issue applied in Ecuador, the different decentralized autonomous government of the different provinces of Ecuador, such as Puerto Viejo, Tosagua, Guayaquil, that have internet access hub spoke in central place such as part. In the case of the Guayaquil, the terminal territory that allow access to users during 30 minutes for free. With this initiative, a connection platform will be created for an emerging economy that has all the potential to become the new objective of online activity. Although this threat is not definitively consolidated in Ecuador, Quito is among the Latin American cities considered to be the fastest growing in lighting technology, with public magnanimity according to Smart City World Congress. Eh, Pilar Conesa, director of Smart City World Congress, indicates that Latin America is experiencing a growth boom in smart city, in which the use of technology in combination with sustainable development issues. IoT company for a better understanding and to define security changes in the Internet of Things. It is important to consider the component present, which must be integrated with each other to achieve comprehensive security. These components are broken down as follows as shown in the following. Let's go to see the video 4. Smart farming, precision agriculture, IoT application, IoT training. This technology is for many applications. In this case, agriculture. IoT application in agriculture. We all know how agriculture has become a gambling, weather, water scarcity, soil, fertility, pesticides are the major players in it. Internet of Things will make agricultural beneficiaries. Can affect productivity to a great extent. Climate monitoring and forecasting. Okay, let's go to see the video. Let's go to see the video number 5. IoT revolution in Israel, Internet of Things. This video is interesting because Israel is a potential of the world. Okay.
Does your fridge know you're hungry? Does your shirt know how you feel? Does your car talk to you? No, you're not going crazy. This is the IoT revolution. IoT is the Internet of Things. It's a technology that connects almost everything you can think of to the Internet, from clothing, cars, infrastructure, medical devices, you name it. And there is a lot of IoT innovation right here in Israel.
General Electric has been active in Israel for nearly 70 years, and we're particularly excited as Israel moves from startup nation to scale-up nation. We see the potential to create new efficiencies in legacy industries like energy, mobility, power, healthcare, and life sciences, as well as the creation of entirely new industries with the great IoT technologies that are coming out of Israel.
For example, the city of Tel Aviv launched AutoTel, a car-sharing platform run by IoT. These cars are connected to the internet. You can find available cars on your phone and unlock them using your phone. Prisma Photonics makes physical infrastructure like roads, power, and water lines smart using lasers and sensors and by tapping into the existing global fiber optics network.
One of our unique features is that there is no need for modification in the infrastructure, no need to install any sensor. We are just plugging our system to a fiber optics that is already installed in the infrastructure and turn this process into almost a plug-and-play service model.
Quickly makes clothing smart with an IoT tag. That means you can try on clothes virtually and you never need to wait at a checkout line. IoT is so big here in Israel that the VC I3 is dedicated entirely to IoT and is funded exclusively by multinationals, all looking for the
hottest tech in Israel.
Over recent decades, more than 300 multinational corporations active at the forefront of technology chose to establish an R&D center in Israel. Some of them, Intel, Microsoft, Broadcom, Cisco, IBM, and EMC, have even acquired more than 10 local companies.
Experts predict that by the year 2030, there will be over 125 billion IoT devices on our planet. So if your car, fridge, or even toilet know a whole lot about you, you know you're doing it right.
Okay. And now, for finish, conclusion. Conclusion. The Internet of Things is here all around you. It has become visible with the incorporation of a smartphone into our daily life. Internet of Things has to do above all with sensors. Those tiny devices capable of detecting everything that happens around you. And with the internet, the new generation of mobile hardware comes packaged with sensors, movement, location, speed, humidity, ambient light, audio, imaging, among others. With a smartphone, we can measure our heart rate, recognize imaging, geolocate objects or people, measuring environmental conditions. Now, how far we have room, control all household applicants and thousand other things. Sensors are also then incorporated into clothing and accessories, shoes and glasses. Smartphones. The smartphones are also known as smartphones are in fashion. Those who believe that their mobile functions are limited to making calls, texting, and at best walking them out in the morning are about to discover that mobile phones offer much more than that. The smartphone is the commercial term for a mobile phone whose operation revolves around the internet connection and the use of a keyboard similar to that of a computer. Sometimes it comes in a touch screen format, and in any case, it comes with menus and shortcuts as part of an operating system that makes it easy to use. In addition to supporting the sending and receipt of mail, smartphone allows the installation of applications that perform a specific function for the user, such as word processor, database, imaging editing program, or chat. Smartphone penetration already exceeds 50% in marketing around the world. Direct marketing 2013. Thank you.